Hey everyone, and welcome back to the galaxy. Today, we are going to be creating this cool, subtle rainbow effect with the neon filter. In my project, I'm starting with one image layer. Click on the layer to make it active, then go up to Filters, Edge Detect, down to Neon. First, we are going to change the mode of this effect to LCH color. Then we can change the intensity and size of this effect. The radius slider expands the pixels at the edges this filter chose. Intensity makes the pixels brighter and more pronounced. After I've created an effect that I'm happy with, I will click OK. And that's it. You've created this awesome rainbow effect on your photograph. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, consider subscribing for more awesome content. Let us know if you found this tutorial helpful by liking this video and leaving us a comment. Thanks for watching.